This 2020 Winnebago View 24J is a Class C RV. It is located in Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, 73127 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Oklahoma City. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Winnebago is 25 feet 0 inches in length and features sleep 6, awning, smoke detector, refrigerator, air conditioning, LP detector, microwave, slide-out, carbon monoxide detector, water heater, TV, and 37 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features bunk over cab, front living area, mid-kitchen, rear bath, U-shaped kitchen. This 2020 Winnebago View 24J is built on a Mercedes-Benz Sprinter chassis and is powered by a Mercedes-Benz engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.